Well, despite the cost of cutting operations in Russia, Irving-based ExxonMobil doubled its year-to-year quarterly profit with nearly $5.5 billion in net income.
Both ExxonMobil and Chevron reported surging profits at a time when gas prices are going up again. So let's check in with Fox 4's Alex Boyer to talk about what's driving the market. Alex.
Hi guys, and it's easy to get mad at these oil companies when you consider the price at the pump continues to go up. But economists that I spoke to say, it's important to point out that these oil companies don't set the prices for gasoline. Still, the large profits that they're making could soon get some eyeballs from lawmakers. Gas prices are on the rise yet again.
It's getting pretty rough. It's getting where you balance of whether you pay gas or pay another bill.
According to AAA, the average price for a gallon of unleaded regular is $3.96. That's up 8 or 9 cents from Thursday and 16 cents from a month ago.
Well, I wish I could say it's shocking news, but it's not. We know we're in an inflationary spiral right now.
The price increase comes on the heels of the two largest U.S. companies, ExxonMobil and Chevron, reporting billions in profits. Still, Irving-based ExxonMobil said profits were lower than expected due to abandoning its operations in Russia.
Exxon doesn't control the price of gasoline. They may benefit over the short time when prices go up, just like any firm would benefit.
The two companies said they were increasing their oil and natural gas production in the U.S., but not to the extent that the Biden administration had hoped, which would help lower high energy prices. In the past, big oil companies have been hesitant to ramp up domestic production on concern that they might not recoup the cost. Instead, Exxon announced it would buy back more of its own shares with a bulk of its profits.
I will say this. I would not be surprised if with these reports that members of Congress start calling for hearings to understand what's going on here with these extraordinary profits.
Economist Brian Marks is an energy expert. He says it would be in these companies' best interest to use their profits to explore or invest in alternative fuels. Meanwhile, he says 3 states, Connecticut, Maryland, and Georgia, are taking steps to help motorists save a little.
Instituted excise gas tax holidays to alleviate some pressure at the pump for consumers of gasoline in their respective states. It's an interesting dynamic that's coming to play here.
With the pandemic and then with the war and